This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Sherry Mulhare. Updated and meticulously maintained, 2273 West Island has the best living space inside and out. The quality of construction shows in the custom millwork, hardwood floors, and built-in cabinets. The transitional floor plan has space for both formal and casual living. 2 ensuite bedrooms on the first floor are perfect for multi-generational living. There are 2 additional bedrooms on the second floor. The finished bonus rooms can be used in so many ways, such as a home office, exercise room or playroom. Relax on the screened porch to enjoy the views of the golf course and the James River. The custom-designed stone patio includes a wood-burning fireplace perfect for cool fall evenings. The nature path, beach, pools, and country club are all a part of life in Governor's Land. This all-brick custom home is ready for you to make a move. For more information, review the details below or contact Sherry Mulhare at 757-719-4112.